Violence as a public health epidemic. That is how Mayor Brandon Scott is now hoping to fight crime. It's a new approach that extends far beyond the police department. WJZ is live tonight. Rachel Menitoff explaining how it works and why your opinion matters here. Rachel.
Well, Mayor Scott says, of course, the police department plays an important role in fighting crime, but he stresses that everyone has to be part of the solution, including city agencies and everyone who lives here in the city.
We have not kept our community safe from violence and harm. We are sorry.
It's a new approach to fighting crime and saving lives. So far this year, 54 people have died as a result of violence. More than 100 others have been shot and survived, permanently scarred by what happened.
I was thinking if I was even going to stay in this world.
One of the city's youngest victims, 10-year-old Kaylin Washington. Earlier this month, she told WJZ she was shot in the chest while walking to the store.
Everyone in Baltimore is impacted by this disease that has been plaguing our city longer than I've been alive.
On Monday, Mayor Brandon Scott announced an initial crime reduction and prevention plan, promising a break from past policies and practices that failed to produce long-term results. The mayor sees violence as a public health issue.
Witnessing violence or living in a violent community is a social determinant of health, and it shapes our lives and overall health outcomes.
With this comprehensive plan, the mayor hopes to curb violence and the trauma it causes. Police Commissioner Michael Harrison fully supports the idea to get all city agencies involved.
The plan leverages prevention, intervention, enforcement, reentry, and rehabilitation strategies and methodologies within its 3 pillars.
The 3 pillars include taking a public health approach to violence, community engagement, and evaluation and accountability.
It's finally a different approach to violence in Baltimore.
Erica Alston is the executive director of Rebound, working with young men and women to stop the cycle of violence.
There are so many pieces to this puzzle that the only way that we're going to put it together is that all of us have a part to play.
And this plan is set to go before City Council in the next few weeks. But before that, the mayor wants to hear from you, the public. He says this proposal is not complete without feedback from the citizens of Baltimore. If you'd like to learn more, head over to this story on WJZ.com. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.